Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Shafira Alina Timur. I'm from Junior High School 3 Ajibarang. In this occasion, I want to tell you a story entitled Tangkuban Peharu. Once upon a time in West Java, there lived a wise king who had a beautiful daughter. Her name was Dayang Sumbi. She liked swimming very much. One day, she was weaving a cloth. Suddenly, one of her tools fell to the ground. She was very tired at the time, so she was too lazy to take it. Then she just shouted out loud, "Anybody there, bring me my tool. I will give you a special present. If you are female, I will consider you as my sister. If you are male, I will marry you." Suddenly, a male dog named Tumang came. He brought her falling tool. Dayang Sumbi was very surprised. She regretted her words, but she could not deny it. So she had to marry Tumang and leave her mother. Then they lived in a small village. Several months later, they had a son. His name was Sangkuriang. He was a handsome and healthy boy. Sangkuriang liked hunting very much. He often went hunting to the wood using his arrow. When he went hunting, Tumang always with him. One day, Dayang Sumbi wanted to eat their heart. "Sangkuriang, will you hunt for a sheep today? I want to eat their heart so much," asked Dayang Sumbi. "Of course, Mom. Whatever you want, I will give it for you," replied Sangkuriang. "Tumang, where are you? Come on, we have to hunt for a deer today." Then Sangkuriang went to the wood with his arrow and his faithful dog Tumang. But after several days in the wood, they could not find any deer. They were all disappeared. Sangkuriang was exhausted and despaired. "Oh God, where can I find a deer? I don't want to disappoint Mama. Oh, I know." Sangkuriang then called Tumang and killed him. He did not know that Tumang was his father. At home, he gave Tumang's heart to her mother. "Sangkuriang, are you sure it's a deer's heart? You can lie to me. It's a Tumang's heart, isn't it? Why did you kill him?" said Dayang Sumbi, full of anger. She hit Sangkuriang at his head. Sangkuriang was wounded. There was a scar in his head. She also repelled her son. Sangkuriang left her mother in sadness. Many years passed. Sangkuriang became a strong young man. He wandered everywhere. One day, he arrived at his own village. But he did not realize it. There, he met Dayang Sumbi. At the time, Dayang Sumbi given an eternal beauty by God, so she stayed young forever. Both of them did not know each other, so they fell in love and they decided to marry. But Dayang Sumbi recognized a scar on Sangkuriang's head. "Sangkuriang, where there's a scar on your head?" "Oh, when I was a child, my mom hit me on my head," replied him. Dayang Sumbi was very shocked. She knew that Sangkuriang was her son. It's impossible for them to marry. She told him, but he did not believe her. Sangkuriang wished that they married soon. So Dayang Sumbi gave him a very difficult condition. "Sangkuriang, if you want to marry me, I have a condition for you. I want you to build a lake and a big boat in one night. I need them for our honeymoon. Can you do that?" asked Dayang Sumbi. "What? Impossible. But it's okay, for you I will do it." Sangkuriang agreed. With the help of the Jenis and the spirits, he started to build them. By midnight, he finished to build the lake by building a dam in Citarum River. Then he started to build the big boat. It's almost done when he nearly finished it. Meanwhile, Dayang Sumbi kept watching on them. She was very worried when she knew this. So she made the light in the east. "Drop! Stop your rod! It's already down! Quickly, go home, go home!" said the chair of the Jenis. Then left Shafira alone. Shafira, you can finish my contract. It means that you can marry me, you know. You cheated! You made the light in the east, so that my troops go. Because of that, I can't fulfill your condition. Shouted Shafira. Shafira was very angry, so he kicked the boat. The boat turned out to be Mount Tangkuban. Tangkuban literally means upside down boat. Until now, this place is always called by Mount Tangkuban. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's all about my story. Thanks for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.